This application here pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Here you have the calendar at the top where you can pretty much navigate and see which matches are going to be played on a specific day, or which match is going to be played the next day. As I can see here, these are the fixtures and pretty much all matches here that are going to be played tomorrow. Today is Friday and tomorrow is Saturday, so you're going to see all these matches being played. Also, you can go in the channel option here to pretty much see where if there's any match being played at the moment. Let's say, for example, I'm going to try this one here. There's a match being played at the moment. Let's say, for example, this one here. All you have to do is just tap on it and it will pretty much show you all the places will be available to watch this stream here. So as you can see, based on your country, you pretty much can see all the location where you will be able to see these, and the apps you can get to pretty much watch this here. So as you can see here, for Jamaica, you can use your Sport 2 to watch the match. So in the favorite section, this is where you go to add your favorite teams or matches that you would like to watch. You can tap on the three dots over here and also add it to your favorites, as you can see here. And you can also set your reminder for when the matches start. You can set the reminder 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, or even when the match just begins. So it depends on what you want, guys. So in the settings here, nothing much, but for the country option, do make sure you select your correct country so you can get accurate results based on your country. But very easy application to use, nothing much. If I miss anything, just comment below. See you then.